Welcome back. A Multicultural Spotlight. Improving rural access to heart health is a major focus for an Ascension St. Vincent cardiology team.
Experts say having support options is vital. News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey learned that many heart problems happen over time rather than right away.
The drive to Linton, Indiana is a familiar route for cardiologist Dr. Greg Mazanek. He's made the 45-minute drive to Greene County 500 times, making that a near 4-hour round trip.
We have a lot of emphasis on the small rural communities where there can be a lot of challenges to care.
He says for many rural communities, access to health care, period, can be challenging, but stands by the idea that medical access shouldn't be determined based on the county you live.
Our mission statement says that we're to take care of patients with special emphasis on the poor and vulnerable, and the rural populations, oftentimes we take for granted having the gas money to get to the heart center.
He says throw in the need for specialty care, it can get tougher. Linton is a predominantly farming town with some smaller industries, but it's a community, he says, that's used to working hard and may not have the time or means to make it to bigger health centers in Indianapolis.
It's a challenge.
For 30 years, Ascension St. Vincent, he says, has done the work to expand access. Twice a week, a 6-cardiologist team rotates, making the trip to Linton, providing support to 25 patients each visit.
The image that people have of the person with an elephant sitting on their chest, the worst pain that they've ever had, that happens during a heart attack. But so many of the symptoms that lead up to that are things that people don't always pay attention to.
He says the indicators of heart trouble are often subtle. It can be a little loss of heart function over months, increased shortness of breath, or taking double the time to complete an activity, and unusual fatigue.
We're able to get to know people. We really, with good outreach and small towns, you become part of the community.
Reporting in Indianapolis, Katira Winfrey, WishTV, WishTV.com, and like us on Facebook.